The modern workplace is fast-paced, high-pressure and demanding. Employees are juggling tight deadlines, back-to-back meetings and never-ending to-do lists. Stress levels are soaring, productivity is dropping, and morale is at an all-time low. HR teams know that workplace wellness is important, but planning, coordinating, and executing effective wellness initiatives, that's a whole different challenge. Finding the right providers, scheduling sessions, managing budgets, handling last-minute cancellations. It's a logistical headache that takes up time one just doesn't have. This is where Blys steps in as an all-in-one platform for corporate wellness. Book, plan, and pay all in one place. With Blys, wellness comes to you. Whether it's on-site massages, fitness sessions, beauty treatments, or mindfulness workshops, we bring the best wellness experiences straight to your workplace. Supporting a hybrid or remote team? No problem. Blys makes it just as easy to care for employees working from home. You can send team members digital gift cards or give them the option to book in-home treatments whenever it suits them best. Know exactly what you're paying for? Manage your budget with transparent invoicing, everything clearly laid out and easy to review before finalising payment. Forget about wrangling team calendars. Share your unique booking calendar link with your team and let them choose their preferred treatment times. Employees can add their sessions straight to their calendar and will send out confirmation and reminder emails before the booking starts. Set and forget with automated recurring bookings to keep your team energised all year round. Add multiple account managers to your Blys account so your HR and people team can stay in the loop. Plus, you can trust your team is in great hands by viewing provider ratings, reviews, and bios right from the Blys dashboard. Need to discuss specifics with your provider? You can chat with them directly through the platform up to 48 hours before your booking-keeping communication clear and stress-free. Managing workplace wellness shouldn't be stressful. With Blys, booking, scheduling, and coordinating wellness experiences is simple and hassle-free. And if you ever need assistance, our support team is always ready to help. The result? Happier employees, increased productivity, and a healthier workplace culture. Investing in wellness isn't just a perk. It's a game changer for your business. Blys makes corporate wellness simple, professional, and effective. Ready to transform your workplace? Get started with Blys today.